Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent, and it turns out we had forgotten one track that good in bid. Apparently it's rated, so I couldn't see it on my iPad, which is weird because it was there on my phone, right? Same device, same iCloud. I don't get it, but whatever. I'm gonna play it from a different source now and do the interpretation. All right, so let's get right into it. Guitar is in standard tuning, which means open chords, open strings would sound like that. And then we're gonna put our capo on fret number 5. All right, and then so that's D minor, G, C, A minor, D minor, G, C, and then A minor. Na 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 Now I'm just having fun, y'all. Getting carried away. Basically, D minor. I know it's really bad, 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 bad. D minor, G, C, and then A minor. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Click like if it was helpful and share it with a friend, and please subscribe. And let me know in the comment section below what other albums you need me to do, or songs maybe, but I mainly do albums, or you know, instrumentals or other instruments that you want me to do interpretations for the same albums on. Cheers.